Vision can be a tricky thing, trying to figure out where you need to go, but how do you do that without actually knowing the future? I've been processing it for my own church, and I've noticed a lot of other churches are having the same question as kind of COVID. We kind of moved through COVID, not really knowing fully when we'll be past it, but what does online look like? Should I hire an online pastor? Should we appoint an online, ministry? What does this all look like? The key is that I think too many people are trying to integrate digital into an existing vision and mission. And really the idea is that digital is very disruptive. It has changed our social lives, it has changed our companies, and it's changing your church. And I think you actually have to revisit your vision before you try to mix it into your already existing vision. I was thinking about this in the context of like powdered drinks. Recently, I was trying to find something just to be a little bit healthier. And again, I don't know what I'm doing. A couple people that I follow, they were doing this this product, and I just wanted to try it. Well, it comes in this like green substance that already doesn't taste good. What you do is you put the powder in, you put your water in, and then you mix it. Well, even with doing it the better way, I was mixing it, it was all chunky. It's because it's not fusing together. It's sticky. Found this product, which I've seen a lot of people do this, but it's something that you can put stuff in and you can shake it. So inside of it, what it has is it has one of these balls in here that it pushes the product around. And so what you do is you get your nice and green. Then you get all this powder. Ugh. And then the idea is that it's all in there together, and then it allows you to kind of violently shake it. And the whole reason why this thing exists is because it allows you to mix it together in a very efficient way. And so the cup and the spoon is not helpful. This visual is what you need to do with your digital strategy. You need to revisit everything because you're trying to mix in the powder on top of the water and the spoon spinning is chunky. It doesn't make sense. You need to revisit everything. You need to revisit your entire online strategy and have an honest conversation with your entire team about where's our church going, because digital has changed things. There is a new normal. Trying to mix it together with the spoon, it's not going to make sense. And a lot of the conversations that I've heard churches are having, they're doing the spoon thing. I think you need to be a little bit more efficient. So I'm going to challenge you to relook at your mission and vision in light of everything that's happened with digital over the last couple of months and figure out what needs to change, what needs to stay the same, and plan out your future. Mix it.